Students, now we will try to learn how to calculate want of factor I. Want of factor I. We know that the formula to calculate I is observed value of colligative property upon theoretical or calculated value of colligative property. Observed value upon theoretical or calculated value of colligative property. Now, if dissociation is taking place, then number of particles will be increased. We can take an example of sodium chloride. You can see that we are adding only one particle, but after dissociation it is splitted in two parts, so number of particles became 2. So 2 is the actual number of particles after dissociation. This is observed value and the theoretical value is 1. So the value of I will be, in this case, observed value is 2 divided by theoretical value. So value of I will be 2. Now if association takes place, then number of particles will be decreased. We can take an example of acetic acid. We are adding 2 particles. This is theoretical value, and after dimerization, it is undergoing dimerization in solution. So 2 particles are attached to each other by hydrogen bond. So 2 particles group together to give only 1 particle. So it is observed value. So in case of association, the number of particles will be decreased. So the value of I will be observed value upon theoretical value. 1 is the observed value and 2 is the theoretical value. So the value of I will be 1 by 2 in this case. Now you can see that if dissociation is taking place, then the value of colligative property will be increased, and in case of association, the value of colligative property will be decreased. Now there are 2 questions, and try to answer these questions. First question is, a substance is undergoing or undergoes tetramerization. A substance undergoes tetramerization in solution, then calculate value of I. A substance undergoes tetramerization, then calculate value of I. The second question is, potassium sulfate K2SO4 undergoes dissociation, calculate value of I. So answer these questions. Now you must keep in your mind that if it is asked in numerical that the substance undergoes association or dissociation, then the values of I must be used in formula to get correct answer. If it is asked in numerical that a substance is undergoing association or dissociation, then the value of I must be introduced in the formula. Otherwise, your answer will be wrong. So, in case of association or dissociation, the formula to elevation in boiling point will be I into kbm, depression freezing point I into kfm, relative lowering of vapor pressure will be I into Na upon Nb, and osmotic pressure will be I into N upon B RT. So by this we can calculate the values.